Finally got it in. BC Racing Coilovers, BR series, extreme drop. About to lower this bad boy. Why should we drop a car?
Aerodynamics, and because racers go crazy over it.
You just said dropping a car is stupid.
It has its benefits though.
Alright, so let's get this box open, show you what it looks like. Gabby, why did we drop a car?
Because it looks cool.
Good. Miguel, why did we drop a car?
Alright, can I open the box now?
Alright, yeah, let's get this box open.
Wait, Bobby taught me how to open these. Just go to the side. You find this little strippy thing.
You open it, go weather.
And then. See?
How do we leave the door?
Boom. And then these ones you just right off. We don't even need the scissors. I should be on one of those wilderness. Oh, kind of did. Never mind. All right, so right here we have the BC Racing Coilovers from Raceland. Today we're gonna be putting them on my Scion FRS. We got a box. Oh wow, stickers, so everyone can know we have these cheap coilovers. Wow. What the heck are these? So right here, this is for the, we bought the wrong ones. These are for a Subaru BRZ.
But what comes in the box?
That's hilarious. He said that's so funny. So right here we have the rear coilovers. This is, you put it on the car. I really don't know anything about cars. What is this? Miguel! Yeah. What is this? Yeah. This is a part for the car. Right here we have the front coilover. So this is what you do is you twist these things but with a tool because you can't.
You got it backwards. Those are the rears. Same part.
What is this? Stop touching stuff or return them.
That's for the rear camber. It's still just rear camber. I don't know what they're called, but
This.
nice.
So let me show you the paperwork so y'all can know this is legit from. Shut up. Right here we have the BC Racing stickers for each side. Follow us at Faith Driven IG. We have instructions on how to put these on, but we don't need them. We have Miguel. And we have warranty because it's Raceland and they're cheap.
Alright, so as Gabby said, we got the front coils right here. This is to control the camber. And then the rear ones. These look pretty dope, not even gonna lie. I like the gold, I like the BC. And actually, fun fact, Miguel is actually running BC coilovers as well. And one thing I actually like is that you could see that it says BC through the wheels. Right? That's how I know. Okay, we're gonna do the rear ones because you can't really see it in the front. Right there. Let that crap focus. BC Racing. Oh, clean! But yeah, let's get this crap dropped. Once I do the install, we're gonna do a video, see how they look like. I'm not gonna show the install because you can see like 1,000 YouTube videos on that. But yeah. Miguel gotta go real quick. That's where you can follow him. He's about to go take a photo shoot and then he'll be back to help. got the first suspension out, and look at the size difference on the rears. Holy crap. The new ones are definitely much smaller. We're putting this one in, but it's giving us a little struggle. I'll keep you updated. We just got the rear ones done. We're about to jack it down, see how it looks.
Take the jack off. That's all I care about.
Not bad. And that's only like halfway. That's not fully down. But you can see it completely took away that wheel gap. Once you get right under it. See how it looks like from the back. Okay. Not bad. Miguel's back from his photo shoot. First photo shoot of the Q. He's excited. Look how low it is. So we finally have all of them done. I don't know if you can barely see it because it's dark, but look at that. It's on the stand, and look at that wheel gap. It's still like super like non-existent. We haven't even lowered it yet. The front as well. That's how stiff the suspension is, and it's not even on the stiffest setting. It's on the middle setting. So we're about to drop it now. Rowan's about to drop it. We're about to take a look.
Yeah. Tag is under there. Yeah, I mean we put
Yo, for real.
like literally. I don't.
And this is not even the lowest setting. So look at that wheel
Look
gap.
how low the car is, bro.
Yeah.
The door handle is under 50.
Look at that drop.
I mean, I guess we could go honestly a little lower in the front.
Yo, this is slow.
Because there's a wheel gap in the front. It's leading more towards the back. Like the back is lower than the front. But it's the owner's call. What he wants to do with it.
Drive it first, sell it. See if you can even get out the driveway.
Yeah, the front is definitely higher than the back, and that's not a good stance.
Well, you know what? This
But
is
yeah,
not helping.
looking real good. Looking real good.
Illusion.
So I already ordered the wheels for it, and they arrive Monday. Once we get the wheels, we'll make another video of those. It's gonna look real nice. But so far, I'm really liking the suspension. I'm gonna drive it around a bit, see how it feels, see the quality.
He ordered the wheels and they get here on Monday. Then I forgot these were already made.
All right, let's get it. What's good? It's your boy David. Day 2 of the project. Well, we finished it up last night. Just wanted to show you how the car looks like during the day. But there it is, and it looks really good. Look how low that crap looks. Oh yeah. I mean, the stance is a little off because, like I said, I'm getting the wheels on Monday. I'll fix the stance then. So it's a little higher in the front, lower in the back. But overall, I'm really pleased. And that's not even the lowest it could go. But for daily driven purposes, we kept it pretty decent height, still low. I drove it to downtown last night. Didn't rub not once. I stiffened it up all the way. Rides really nice. But yeah, I really like it. Makes a huge difference on the car. Stock wheels, stock everything besides the tint. Coilovers, it rides much better than stock coilovers if you want to soften it up. you can do that as well. But I'm about to give it a test drive. I'm about to go get my hair cut and see how it drives now. Okay, so I made it to my barber's crib. I didn't record anything from the inside because I tried, but as you know, I put it on the full stiff mode and it was a little bit too bouncy for me to even record. But as soon as I get out of here, what I'm gonna do is change the setting to full soft, give you guys a little review on how it is soft. Overall bouncy, I'm not rubbing, not at all. Overall with the stiffness, I'm not rubbing at all. It's a little rough. You could feel everything on the road, but it's like sports car rough. It's not like obnoxious rough or like it's gonna break your back type rough. So I'm really liking these coilovers, really feeling them. Definitely recommend them. I've tried like 2 other brands of coilovers, not on this car, and they're usually very rough. This one, it feels very close to stock, but you feel everything on the road, but it's like a good feeling. It's like you want to feel the bumps, you want to feel more on the road because you feel more connected to the car with these coilovers. So I definitely recommend them. As soon as I get out of here, we'll put them on full soft mode. I'll give you guys an update on those. Okay, so basically I got out the barbershop, I started recording a video and the memory ran out, so I had to go home and delete some videos so I could add more space. But what I did was I softened the suspension 100%, and then I've been driving around all day with it like it, and basically it drives the same as stock, but you could feel the road a little bit more. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's not like super soft. I would love to say it's like a cloud, but not really. It drives exactly like stock, except you can feel the bumps a little bit more. But if you're looking for coilovers for daily driving and you don't want to feel too much bumps or anything like that, and you don't want it to be too rough, I definitely recommend to soften it up, because this is almost exactly like stock. But if you lower any car, you're going to be feeling the road like I was. But personally, I think I'm gonna just keep it stiff and ride with it stiff. But let me show you guys real quick how to soften it up for the people that don't know. Okay, so you just open up the hood. I got it open here. And when you insert the coilovers, these 2 sticks are gonna pop up. Let me let it focus. Right there. So basically it says the name of the brand. It says soft and hard. I have it all the way on soft, so since I'm gonna run it stiff, I'm gonna twist it all the way clockwise until you feel it stop. Right there. So that's fully stiff. And on the front, you just do the same thing. Fully stiff. Okay, and in the back, I have it gutted still, because I want to see once I get my wheels which setting which setting I'm gonna keep it on. But in the back, they're gonna be under everything. That's gonna be that side, and that's gonna be this side. So I'm gonna put it all the way stiff, clockwise. If you want to soften it, counterclockwise. So yeah, basically I stiffened it back up. Just gonna keep it stiff for now. This is gonna be the height for the next 24 hours, because supposedly my wheels get here tomorrow. I'll make another video about that. But yeah, I've been having the coilovers now for not even a full day, but I've been driving my car around all day today. I drove it around all last night, and my review on it is I really like them. I've driven coilovers that are super stiff, super rough. These I recommend. If you're gonna daily drive your car but you want performance out of it, you're definitely gonna like these. If you stiffen it up all the way, you're gonna feel no body roll at all. If you soften it up all the way, you're gonna have that normal stock body roll, which is still not much because the BRZs handle really well overall. But basically that's it. If you guys got this far in the video, thank you. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. We're definitely gonna have more stuff. I'm gonna make a video once we get the wheels, and we're gonna make more videos for Gabby's car too. But thank you, and until next time.